There's been a lot of speculation about this, a lot of rumors, and I get to end them today. We're going to introduce our consumer portable machine. So, we've been working really hard on it, and I hope you like it. So we went to our customers. We went to our consumer and education customers and said, what do you want in a portable? What precisely is it that you want? And we listened very carefully. And when you added it all up, what they wanted was an iMac to go. They loved iMac, and they wanted an iMac to go. Could we make an awesome iMac to go? And we have done that, we hope. So first of all, what are we going to call it, just so we have a name to refer it by? Well, as you know, we tend to start our consumer products with the prefix I, and our pro products with the prefix power. And we tend to end our desktops with Mac, and we tend to end our portables with book. So since we're such logical folk, iBook is the name of this product. Now what is iBook? Well, as you know, we care a great deal about displays, and displays are never more important than they are in a portable. The display is your window onto your software applications, and it's your window into the internet. And a lot of portables, especially the consumer portables out there, have really poor displays. We want to set the bar even higher. We're putting in a 12.1-inch full TFT display. It's a gorgeous display that is great for not only still images, but moving images and video. And that's a full 800 by 600 resolution with millions of colors. But we didn't stop there. We built in the fastest graphics ever in a portable. Faster graphics than you can get in any Wintel portable at any price. Secondly, we've built in a 300 megahertz G3 processor. This thing is really, really fast. It's a rocket ship. As a matter of fact, this thing is the second fastest portable in the world. It is faster than any Wintel portable at any price, and it is second only to our venerable PowerBook. Third thing, we built in a CD-ROM because our customers want to be able to load applications in very easily, and our developers want to be able to sell applications very easily. 32 megabytes of memory, expandable to 160 megabytes, 3.2 gig hard drive. We built in a full complement of communications to this thing, a 56K modem in every single unit, USB in every single unit, and 10100 Ethernet in every single unit, which is unheard of in the consumer marketplace. And we built in a full-size keyboard. If you've ever tried to type on one of these dinky little keyboards, you know how valuable this is. And then we get the battery life. With all of these features, with this 300 megahertz G3 processor, with this gorgeous 12-inch screen, we still wanted groundbreaking battery life. We wanted battery life so good you'd never have to buy a second battery. You don't have to bring your charger to school all day long or carry your charger a lot of places that you've had to in the past. And our engineering team has really come through on this. With these incredible features, 12-inch screen, super fast processor, all this communications, we have achieved 6-hour battery life on this product. So you've got an all-day battery life product now that you don't have to take the charger with you during the day. And that's what we were shooting for. So that's iBook. And what I'd love to do is show it to you right now. It's really beautiful. This is what it looks like. Okay? That's what it is. And it's got some beautiful features on it. First of all, this is the front of it, and this is the back. This is the side. Now, this is made incredibly durably. This is polycarbonate plastic, the stuff they make bulletproof vests out of. But we've gone one step further. We've double shot it in rubber all the way around. So what you see in orange is all rubber. It feels wonderful, and it makes the unit even safer to travel with. Again, all on the back. When you open it up, it's really beautiful inside. Again, Full-size keyboard and pointing device, beautiful 12-inch screen. Here's the communications on this side, the communication ports all on the side. CD-ROM comes out this side. And let me tell you a few other really great things about this. One of the most incredible, it has a handle. And so it has something that no other portable on the market has. But it's also missing something that every other portable has. Notice anything missing? A latch. There's no latch on the iBook. It works like your cell phone to beautifully close and stay closed and yet lift just by your finger. It's really beautiful. And we are going to be offering these in two colors, tangerine and blueberry. And they're both really, really beautiful. Thank you. So, let me show you some slides on this so you can get an even better look. Thank you. Now, so this is what we're up against, remember. This is the #1 selling consumer notebook in the world, right? And this is iBook. It's really, really beautiful. This is the front. This is what it looks like open. This is the back, which is even more beautiful than the front of the other guy's computer. This is the side, and again you can see that double-shot rubber cutting across. Let me show you the CD-ROM, how it pops out. Isn't that nice? Just pops out of there. And let me show you the other side. This is the communications ports. We've got a modem, Ethernet, and USB coming right out the side. No doors to open or anything else. We've also got the handle, right, which is really nice. And this is the charger. It's really beautiful. It's this little round thing. You know how you have to wind the cable around the brick now? Not anymore. This thing has a cable wrap built right in it. It's really beautiful. And so, again, we're going to ship iMac in tangerine and blueberry, two wonderful colors. You'll be able to see them out in the booth. They're really, really great. So what are we going to price this at, and when is it available? We thought a lot about pricing. You know, with this complement of features, again, iBook is faster than Wintel notebooks that you could pay $3,000, $3,500 for. It's got a beautiful screen on it. It's got communications like Ethernet built in that you'd never find in a consumer notebook. IBM's cheapest consumer notebook is $17.99, but if you really look at something that's comparable in features, it's over $2,000. And we knew we probably could have sold most every one we made for over $2,000. But we decided to price this within reach of our education customers and our consumer customers. We're going to price it at $15.99. Yeah. And it'll be available this September in volume. So $15.99 this September in the stores. And you can order them today right on the Apple Store or through your favorite dealer. We are accepting orders as of today on the store and in the channel. So this is iBook, and it's really great. And what I'd love to do, and of course this completes our product matrix, right? We finally now have all 4 products in the grid, and we're going to be shipping all 4 of them by September, and we're really excited about this. So I've got a few television ads, if you'd like, that we're still working on, but I'd love to get your opinions on for iBook if you want to see them. You want to see them? Okay. So here's what I want. I'll show them. They've got a few seconds of space in between, and after you see them, I want to do an applause-o-meter, right? So you can applause in the meantime, but afterwards, remember your favorites, and I want to get back your opinion on the favorites. So let's go ahead and run the TV ads now.
Presenting the iMac Unplugged. Oh, what have we here? Wow. Nice. Look at this. Oh, sweet, sweet. Oh, I see, I get it. It's iMac to go. Oh, good, good.
You turn my whole world around.
Everybody that liked number 1 the best, please clap. Okay. Everybody that liked number 2 the best, please clap. Okay. Everybody that liked number 3 the best, please clap. Okay. And everybody that liked number 4 the best, please clap. There were 2 clear favorites there. Well, good. We'll pick, and you'll see them on TV. But thank you. This helps us a lot. So that is iBook. Well, but there is one more thing. There is one more thing. Let me just show this to you for a minute, okay? Can you come on up here? I just want to show you this working. And I've got one here that's actually working here. And let's see here now. So this is coming up out of sleep mode. Let's get the lights down so we can get a nice picture on the screen. So you see my browser here? There? Yeah, there you go. So I'm just going to go to Apple's website here. Hold on. And I want to show you the quality of the display. Can you see it up there okay? Yeah, let's get the lights down a little more. You can zoom in on it if you want to. There you go. There's Apple's display, and we even have a webcast going, actually, that you can go to now. It's pretty cool. So, well, it's taking a while here for me to do. I'm going to go somewhere else. I don't want to wait. I'm going to go to CNN Interactive here and see what's on CNN. There's CNN, you can see. And maybe I'll go to Disney here. You know, I can come on over here. Let me show them show these guys how it works. Come on over here. You want to sit behind me there? Yeah. So I can just go to Disney.com here. Oh, you noticed something. Thank you. noticed no wires. No wires. What is going on here? We are really excited to announce, in addition to iBook, AirPort wireless networking. We looked at all of the networking technologies out there beyond terrestrial Ethernet. We looked at the phone line stuff that Intel and others are doing that runs at a megabit per second and obviously keeps you tied to the plug. We looked at the power line stuff, again, very slow and tied to the plug. And wireless was the only thing that would free you from these doggone wires. And we decided to go for it. And we are so excited about this. AirPort wireless networking. It's a wireless LAN. It runs at 11 megabits per second. And it's based on industry standards. This is 802.11 wireless networking, and everybody is jumping on board with this thing over the next 6 to 9 months. So all sorts of devices are going to be able to interact with AirPort. We're just going to be there first and best. And the specification also incorporates quite a bit of privacy protection, so everything you send out is encrypted. A lot of privacy. We've worked with Lucent on this for the last 18 months, hand in hand, to marry their wireless technology with our ease of use technology and to bring the cost of this down for people, because this stuff has been pretty pricey to date. So AirPort, what is it? This is the first thing. This is the AirPort base station. And it looks like this, right like that. And so the AirPort base station is really cool. You can look at the back of it here. It's got a 56K modem built in, so you can plug it into a phone line for a modem connection. And it's got Ethernet built in, so you can hook it into a DSL modem, a cable modem, or a terrestrial Ethernet. And it takes over from there and gives you the wireless base station. So what about the computer side of things? Well, iBook is the first computer ever designed right from the start to be optimized for wireless communications. And so right in every iBook are 2 built-in antennas. When you're doing wireless, having very high-quality antennas placed just perfectly in the product is what gives you the high data rates and the range. And we have built them in the perfect place in every single iBook. Then we have an AirPort card, a small little card, and the iBook is designed to accept it. So let's take a look at that. As you know, Apple pioneered this way of adding memory without taking your whole portable apart through simply lifting the keyboard. Well, we have enhanced that now to take an AirPort card. And as you see, there's a space right there in every iBook ready for an AirPort card. And you can drop one in, just like that, and connect the cable that comes from the antenna. Right? You saw that? I'll go back. Just connect that cable and push it in. And now your iBook is AirPort functioning. You are on the wireless network. All the software detects the AirPort card and automatically sets it up for wireless networking without going through hours of configuring your computer. It all happens automatically. This has been a major effort on the part of Apple's hardware and software engineers and also Lucent. Now, up to 10 iBooks can share one base station. And they can do it, and they can do it from 150 feet away. That's half a football field. Half a football field. That's bigger than anybody's house I know other than Bill Gates. And he can afford to buy 2 base stations. So I think we're covered. So this is going to be a revolution in the classroom and in the home for portable networking. Oh, 10 iBooks, 150 feet, and that's AirPort. So what I would love to do now is tell you the pricing on this stuff, and we'll go to a demonstration. $99 to buy an AirPort card to plug into your iBook. $99. And the base stations, which have traditionally cost many, many hundreds, if not over $1,000, $299. So we are bringing the cost of wireless networking down, going right out of the chute with 11 megabits per second, and we think we're going to blow everything else out there away. This stuff is shipping in September with the iBooks. And I've got one last TV ad I'd love to show you about AirPort, if I can. Let's run it. We can't help ourselves.